This is actually one that I'm doing for free, other than the cabin. So, I mean, this is completely free to them because I want this place to have, you know, a water feature as it should be, not something that's halfway done by people who just don't know what they don't know. The DNR team here was trying to do this waterfall, so I mean, it's you know, it's nothing against them, but they got in over their head, and even Mr. Douglas said, yep, we needed help, and as soon as I saw your card, that's why I called you. So kudos to the DNR team here at Turkey Run State Park for knowing that they needed help and getting in contact with a master certified aquascape contractor. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get to work. See ya. Hey, what's going on, guys? Christopher Yax here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Get ready to love your backyard. Yeah, we are just after lunch, and we got the basin in behind me, starting our ascent upstream. Andrew just broke one of my tools, so he's going back to his truck to get a replacement for that. He's incorrigible.
You are incorrigible.